Stanley from TS Tech Talk. And today, guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make use of Google Map. But I'm not going to be showing you the videos now. Probably this is just an intro to the video. Okay, very soon I'll be teaching you guys how to make use of this guy, Google Map, in order to get different direction to a location where you're going to. Okay, depending on the settings, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to understand the driving, the transcript, the walking, the riding, and the cycles. So all have different direction in order to help you guys to locate whichever destination you are heading at. Okay, for instance, maybe you because currently I'm in Nigeria, so let me search a particular location in Nigeria. So this is it. Okay, it actually shows a lot of things here. So later on, I'm going to be moving on to show you guys how to make use of all this, stuff nearby, send to your phone, share a particular stuff, and then you can add a missing place if you want to, and also in order to zoom in and to zoom out. So basically, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make use of Google Map properly. This is just an intro, and like I said, you shouldn't get too over it. It's very easy to use, not a difficult stuff. Like, my name is Stanley from TS Tech Talk. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And happy belated Easter to you guys. Because I didn't create any Easter videos, so using this mode to say happy Easter to you guys. My Easter was more of a resting day for me. So very soon I'll be making the video teaching you guys how to create awesome things on how to make use of your Google Map proper, both on your mobile phone and on your laptop or any device you have making use of your internet. Okay, just hang on there and wait for my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.